Hi you guys, I am back to you guys today with a feed-in braid tutorial, which I've been trying to do for like 3 days straight, but I've been so sick, like I couldn't even get out of bed. So I'm finally feeling better today, and I'm finally going to do this tutorial for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be doing about 5 to 6 feed-in braids, and I'm going to be using this model jumbo braiding hair. It's kanekalon hair, which is a color 30. You can see it blends with my hair very well. And yeah, so I'm going to cut those packs in half. I only bought 2 packs since I'm not doing that many braids. I went ahead and washed my hair already off camera, but I used that new Cream of Nature Pure Honey line just to give my hair a little moisture. I still love it. I think it's going to be my favorite line. Like, I don't think any other line has made my hair as soft as that one. So if you want to check that out, that is on my previous YouTube video. But we are going to get right in. So the products I used, well, I am going to use, is the Auntie Jackie's leave-in conditioner. And if you can't see that, I will put all of the products in the description box. I'm using this olive oil, which I got from the beauty supply. I love olive oil, so it really brings moisture to my hair as well. Of course, I'm gonna use jam like I do for all of my braids. This is the extra hold. And then I'm going to use the Lottabody edge control. Now, I already sectioned off my first part. And I already added some olive oil to this section. Now, I did say that I'm gonna cut this in 2, but you know what? I think it's full enough, and I kind of want the braids long. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it like this in this length. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start off by sectioning off my hair, and I start my sections like this thin, so that when you braid towards the front, it'll look more natural. Okay, so I'm gonna take this spray bottle, which I have a little water in, and I'm gonna spray this braid down. I'm gonna spray this section down to make it a little damp. All right, now I'm going to add some jam towards the edges of the hair and on the sides. All right, now I'm going to start braiding the hair. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish the braids on this side, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I am back and I am done braiding my hair. There you go. Okay, I'm just going to take these scissors and clip those little bit of hairs that be out on the braid. Okay, you guys, I'm done clipping, so I'm gonna start on these edges. Got my toothbrush ready. Okay, you guys, we are currently waiting on this water to boil so we can take care of these tips. So yeah. Okay, now I'm done with the tips, y'all. Now I'm just gonna take this scarf on. I think I had it on for about 10 minutes, I say. Yeah, just to flatten out my braids. All right, look pretty flat to me. Now I have some gold string that I had left over, and I'm just like, you know, why throw it out when I'm gonna braid my hair? So I'm just gonna put one on this side and then one on the other side.